Hello and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week we are going to talk about the steps you need to take to become an affiliate blogger. There are many online business models out there, and being an affiliate blogger is just one of them. But what is affiliate blogging really about? What does it entail? What kind of knowledge do you need? That's what we're going to cover in this little tutorial. By the time we're done here, you'll know exactly what to do to start making money online as an affiliate blogger. So let's get started. Now, as the name implies, an affiliate blogger is someone who has a blog where they blog about a certain topic and recommend things as an affiliate marketer and then get paid for any sales of products that they make from their readers. No matter what niche you're in or have an interest in, there are probably products in that niche that you can become an affiliate for. When you become an affiliate, you get a special link for the product, and when someone clicks on that link and buys, you make a percentage of the sales as your commission. Search Google or your favorite search engine for your topic and affiliate program, and you will probably be presented with a lot of options. If not, then you may want to rethink following the affiliate blogger business model for that niche. If you don't have a blog yet or have any idea what niche you want to start in, then that's where your affiliate blogging journey will begin. You must first decide on your niche and then, as I said previously, search for products that you can promote as an affiliate that are related to your niche. If you find a lot of products you can be an affiliate for, then you've probably picked a good niche. Take note of these products and where you can become an affiliate for them, and then move on to the next step. What's the next step? Creating a blog. Now, there are many ways that you can create a blog, but my recommendation is that you get a domain name, hosting, and set up a blog using WordPress. I recommend WordPress because it's the most used blog platform around, and there are many plugins and themes that you can use with your blog to make it look good and do the things you'll want it to do that it doesn't do out of the box. Once you have your blog created, then it's time to add content, which are your blog posts. I recommend that you find one product that you can recommend to people interested in your niche, and then start creating content to use as blog posts for your blog that directs people to your affiliate link for that product. You could write a post educating people about the topic of the product and then point them to the product. You could write a blog post reviewing the product and pointing people to it. Your options are unlimited when it comes to creating content, but just make sure that the blog post is in some way related to the product and points people to the product through your affiliate link so that they click it and buy it and you make money. Your next step will be posting the content to your blog. But then what? Then you have to get traffic to that content. If no one sees your content, then no one can click on your affiliate link and buy the product, and you won't make any money from your efforts. Now, this tutorial isn't related to getting traffic, but I recommend you start doing some research on how to get traffic to your blog. Find one tactic and start using it to get traffic. Analyze your results. Are you getting traffic? Are you making sales? If yes, keep doing what you're doing. If not, then maybe you need a new traffic tactic. So there you go. That's what being an affiliate blogger is all about. Creating content your audience wants and monetizing that content with your affiliate links for related products. You create content related to a niche, post it to your blog as a blog post, insert your affiliate links, drive traffic, and when people buy products through your links, you make money. Now, although I have summed this up quickly, each step of this takes skills, know-how, and time. If we break this down into steps, it would look like this. Step 1, find a niche. You can do this with a simple Google search or use one of the many software programs available that will help you find good, profitable niches. Step 2, find products you can promote as an affiliate in that niche. Again, you can search Google for these. Step 3, create content that is related to a product you're going to be promoting as an affiliate. Or you can also pay others to create this content for you if you're not great at creating content. Step 4, post the content to your blog with your affiliate links inserted. Remember that not all content has to be written content, and there are ways to direct people to your affiliate link if you use other content such as images and videos. Step 5, drive traffic. There are so many ways to do this, but the important thing is to start with one tactic and get it working. Or if you can't get it to work, bringing in a different traffic strategy. If you take each of these steps, research the best way to do them, and implement them step by step, you will find yourself as a very successful affiliate blogger. If the affiliate blogging business model sounds like something you would like to implement to create an online business, I've laid everything out here for you to begin. All that's left for you to do is to get started. Now, one last thing. If you haven't already, don't forget to download our affiliate campaign checklist. This checklist will keep you on track during all of your upcoming affiliate promotions so that you don't forget any important steps. You will find this checklist extremely helpful. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you next Tuesday. Take care.